You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word, to say the least. If you want to learn, by the way, more vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you in British English. It's usually pronounced as exculpatory, alright, or tory, exculpatory or exculpatory, right? Now, in American English, in the US, the pronunciation is generally as exculpatory, or how to pronounce English pronunciation, exculpatory, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.